Hello everyone. I know I am pretty inactive on this channel for a very long time, but now I came back with a very new idea, very new thing that really amazes you all. So basically, I randomly sort of find a software, and this software is literally very amazing. I think many of you already know about it, but this is literally amazing. So the software is Universe Sandbox. You can find it on internet. I can give the link if you want. Give me in the comments if you know about this software. If you want this software, I can give you the link. But this software really amazes me. I found this software about 4 to 5 days ago, and I literally do everything that I can on this software, and I am literally very amazed with the software. So basically, I put polls on Instagram, and basically, if you are not following me on Instagram, then do follow me on Instagram, because on Instagram we can be more interactive with each other. And I put the poll on Instagram that which simulation you want to see. I give two options: galaxies colliding with each other and black hole colliding with each other, and votes are on galaxies colliding with each other. But I will also make video on black holes colliding with each other, and multiple things. I cannot tell you on this video only, because I will make separate videos for those. And let's start. And if I use some words of Hindi in between my English, then let that be, because adat. So let's start the video. So now you are seeing the solar system. Yes, it is a solar system. It is our solar system. Here I selected our Earth, but I cannot get into that because I need a separate video for that. So basically, let's select our thing. So this is what you are seeing. This is what you are seeing. It is the Andromeda Galaxy and our Milky Way. Now you know what will be going to happen, but still, this is a Milky Way and Andromeda collision. After 4 billion years ago from now, they will collide with each other. Don't worry, you are safe. And now you can see these are two spiral galaxies. One is a very giant galaxy, Andromeda, with in comparison to our Milky Way, and this is our Milky Way. One thing that this software lacks, I guess, is we cannot zoom in into the galaxy. If I see there's a nebulas, and somehow there I can see Sagittarius A, I guess. No, I cannot. Okay, so basically here Andromeda and Milky Way, they will going to collide. So what is this? So this is basically the time. Okay, I can faster the time, I can slower the time, and do whatever happens in the future. So basically we are time traveling also. Okay, so there it is selected as mega years. Okay, mega years means mega years per second, giga years per second, year per second, day per second, hour per second. So we can faster the time as per our need. But if I reduces the time from mega year, from 1 mega year, I slower the time, we cannot see the movement of the galaxies. Okay, if I slower the time to around 0.03 mega years per second, so you cannot see the movement of these galaxies. But if I put it into only 1 mega years, then you can see. But let it be slower, because we have to see it closely when they collide with each other. So let's start. So you can see these galaxies are moving. They are spiral galaxies. So basically it takes 1 mega year to complete, to even we can see. Okay, now you are seeing these galaxies colliding with each other, and as the time passes, their centers meeting with each other. Yes, now their centers are one. They are now move away. Okay, see, if I increase the time, it is like this is amazing. This is literally amazing. When I first see it, this is literally amazed me. So see how they are collided with each other. Their centers are now one. But we can spot the galaxies. This is Milky Way, but there are multiple nebulas start forming in the galaxy. Yeah, here Andromeda, Milky Way, now nebulas here. Every day, everywhere we can see nebulas. Okay, so let's zoom in into it. And after zooming into it, we can now faster the time. If I faster the time by 10x, it is like this: 10x more, 0.0225. Nice. Okay, 0.225 giga years per second. Okay, now I can increase the time, faster the time, and here you see what is happening. The both galaxies are now collided with each other, and we can see it. Okay, Now let me pause it. Okay, so it is what it is. You know what, this is literally amazing. You can in my coming videos in this simulation series, you can see multiple things that really amazed you. Here I can see a nebula that is in Andromeda, and one thing that you really have to like, why I am not able to, okay, I can zoom it.
I can zoom it. Yes, I can zoom it. Let me zoom it. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, I can do it. It is not that much hard. I can do it. Why it is moving far away from.
Okay, let it be. So basically these are collided with each other and now their centers are one. Maybe some black holes may formed inside it after some time, I don't know, but it is literally amazing. So if you want another videos on another simulations, you can follow me on Instagram or comment in this video. Next video is like on black holes colliding with each other. They are like binary black holes that merge into one black hole. That is literally amazing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, then subscribe the channel. If you have any ideas about my setup, okay, no comments on my setup because this setup is temporary. I can improve it. Okay, if I can improve it in some time. But okay, this is it for the video. If you subscribe, if you like the video, then subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and bye bye.